Hi, welcome to the Glossary of Accounting Terms or Dictionary of Accounting Terms. Today we are going to discuss definition of accounting. We are reading the definition as follows. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions pertaining to a business. The accounting process includes recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting these financial transactions to provide meaningful information for decision making. It involves tracking revenues, expenses, assets, and liabilities to give a clear picture of a business or individual status. We will understand the all process of accounting with an example. Let's understand that assume you are running mobile shop and your business have sold a mobile for INR 141,000. Then first step is recording. Recording it involves documenting all financial transactions in a systematic way such as in a journal or ledger. In our example, transaction is recorded as a sale transaction in the sales journal. Classifying it involves categorizing of transaction into different accounts. In our example, sale of mobile of INR 141,000 would be classified as revenue. First, we have recorded it in a sales transaction. Now we are classifying the sale is as revenue. Classification of transaction might include expenses. First, recording. Recording in a general sales general ledger in our example. Second, classifying. Classifying as a revenue. Third, summarizing. The classified data is then summarized into a financial statement like balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. These statements provide a concise overview of the business's financial performance and position. In our example, sale of mobile would be summarized in income statement. Now again repeating. First, recording. Recording in a sale transaction. We have sold mobile that will be recorded in sale transaction, sales general ledger. Then classifying as a revenue. Then summarizing it into a statement that is income statement. The sale of mobile would be summarized in income statement. Just like expenses in income statement will be summarized in income statement and balance sheet items will be summarized in balance sheet. We will discuss further. Fourth, interpreting. The summarized information is analyzed to understand the financial health of the business. For example, an investor might analyze the income statement to determine the business profitability or the balance sheet to assess its financial stability and growth. We will continue in next video and next accounting term. We will continue to provide you the detailed analysis of accounting terms provided in your course or in your financial professions. Now again, lastly, repeating the word definition of accounting. The process of accounting is the process of recording financial transactions of a business. This involves recording, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting. So we will meet in next video. Kindly understand it and watch the video 3 times at least so that word and definition of accounting you will remember. Thank you.